Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm going to show you very easy how you can take your black seed oil, because the taste at times it's not that pleasant if you just take it. Like me, I usually take it even as it is. The smell, I don't mind it. In the morning I just put a teaspoon of it and then I swallow it on an empty stomach. But if this is too hard for you to take when it's like this, you can do it with honey. I'm going to demonstrate very shortly how you can do it. And with the honey, it's going to form like a syrup, which is good even for the kids. You're very sure, you can be very sure your kids will not love taking it like this. It's so yucky. But if you put with if you incorporate the honey, it gives that taste that the children will like, and they will like taking it. This is very good for people, for children who are suffering coughs and the colds. It boosts immune system. Kindly use black seed in honey. I'm going to show you. This is what you do. I'm going to put like this one now. Is like a tablespoon of honey. Then I'm going to put a tablespoon of black seed. Remember, the honey is just to alter. I'm going to mix it. This is just a little amount, but you can do a lot and put in your jars. You don't need to put this in your fridge because it doesn't have any water components, because honey itself is a preservative, so you can be very sure this will last you for many days. But now the servings, we said a teaspoon of this in the morning, and if you want, a teaspoon of this before bed. It works very well. Remember, in the morning you take it on an empty stomach, and then you can do this before even meals. A teaspoon of this before meals, before your dinner. That is very good. It's going to work so much. And one thing it does with the fats is that it prevents the absorption of the bad fats, the bad cholesterol. So that is how the people who want to lose weight, you lose weight. That is how you get even a clean gut. It fights the bad bacteria in your gut. Now, having done this, in another video, I'm going to show you how to use this for another exciting thing. But watch the next video. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for your support. I love you so much with the love of Christ. Kindly don't forget, those who are not subscribed to this channel, please do so to help me grow and for you to be able to be getting the notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you so much.